The one tire fire is kind of scary, but it's kind of cool. Oh, what? I'm busting my ass, dude. What are you doing?
Stepping on a molehill, bro.
A what? A molehill?
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Where's the mole gonna fit? It looks like an anthill, dude. Unless they...
I mean, that's what gargantuan ants then, bro. You think the ants built that in?
Yeah. Maybe they have, dude. You never know.
You never know, bro. I'm just saying. Welcome to WhipGetters Ranch. Today, we got some beautiful stuff in store for you guys.
We're in the middle of nowhere. We're actually lost in the woods.
Try again.
No, seriously, we're actually lost in the woods.
Besides being on WhipGetters property. Guys, this is something new. We got some special in store. I can't wait for you guys to see the layout. Just the beginning. So I'm gonna show you guys how we do things. We got some love over there. We got some love. You wanna show the cameras you some love? Hey!
We have a little
Yes, let's go.
What? Tell me what this is.
I just a little butt burn pile. I'm gonna take this off. I don't know why this is on
You know what that looks like? If you had a porta potty and you cut a hole in it just so you can shit through the hole.
Oh man,
and
that's
they
deep, bro.
when they took it down,
That's deep, bro. What I probably do with this is cut this down and use it as RC ramp. Right on this hill right here. Straight into the trees.
And then lose it forever.
I'm like, God.
This is gonna be a little bonfire area.
Right, I got a couple bricks I'm gonna stack up on this side, you know, and get a little taller and get some stumps and cut some seats out of them. So literally have a stump, shave it down, L it out, and then you got a little backrest. Now I'm gonna put a couple little stumps out here so we can drink our Bud Lights.
Bud Lights.
Bud Lights. So guys, let's take a walk. I've been chopping down some
I almost walked in the bushes. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
I was chopping down some things, but I almost walked into my pile that I gotta clean up.
What is that? Dude, that thing's super long.
It's a beautiful go-kart. Completely factory, all stock. I mean, not the original engine. This was a IndyCar body go-kart. Body's gone. We still got the spoiler. We need to make that WhipGetters style.
That's a spoiler?
Oh yeah, it has a spoiler that bumps onto these 2 points here.
Oh, I was about to say, that's a spoiler? What kind of aerodynamics is that, dude?
But what I'm thinking, I'm gonna put you on the back right here on like a stand or something. So you could be recording, put a little seat out here that comes out. And you can be like, oh, we're cruising with the cars, you know?
Wait. Dude, that's perfect.
I know, bro, right? It is perfect, bro. Once we get this together, we'll be good. So right now it's completely factory. Let's give her a fire and see if she fires up. Make sure the fuel's on. Okay, cut close. All right, let's try it.
Yeah, dude, look at that.
Oh, she's trying to get away from me.
Dang, she tried to leave, bro.
I'm touching gauge, it's okay. Needs a little tweaking still.
Is it manual?
Yeah!
Whoa, you fun dirt, dude, look!
Since Tyler haven't had the joy to taking a cruise on the new go-kart, it's time for him to take a ride.
I haven't ridden on this yet. He said it was gonna be bumpy as shit, so I guess it's gonna be.
And just remember, we got one tire fire right now.
Just because I'm that person, I might go off course a little bit. He said that he was gonna shoot me in the trees. I don't think so. What?
Yeah, it's a little slide. It's a little slide. I'm a little heavy.
I'm done. Oh shit! Rico, watch out! So he's gonna go show me the course now. I got my GoPro rigged up right here. It's gonna be, oh shit, there's a spider web.
Your turn. We definitely need more horsepower though. Now, when you launch the gas pedal, look, I don't even have it turned up all the way. That wasn't full. That was already 25% of what it could do.
25%?
Yeah.
We'll slowly go up.
It's fast right now. As soon as you launch it, it's gonna pull you to the right.
Wait, what do you mean push to the right?
So it's got more power. The power's coming from the left tire.
Okay.
So it's gonna throw you. You ready? On. When you brake, keep your foot off the gas.
Oh yeah, I had that problem. Oh, dude. I busted my ass, dude. Oh.
How was that experience?
The one tire fire was actually kind of scary.
It makes it interesting.
But once you're in it, dude,
you're good.
Imagine making it like seriously 200 horsepower. You can see where he was fucking around with it the first time. Cause look. What is that? I did not do that.
I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
Yeah, sure, whatever, man. That thing is awesome. The one tire fire is kind of scary, but it's kind of cool.
So what we're gonna try to do right now, since it's got a lot of low wind torque, I think it's time to power slide.
You think you can?
I'm trying, let's go.
Come on,
let's go.
Where are you gonna do it at? Hey, do a drift! Oh! What? 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 Do a burnout! Woo! Uh-oh.
Take the chain off. It's all good.
We heard a snap.
We heard a snap. So
Yes. Right? Yeah, that
Oh.
came off. The whole chain came off.
Sure did.
Bro,
Yeah.
look at this is our beater car, dude. This is basically our beater machine.
Oh, it is, bro. It is. Look, I made everything. I flexed everything over. The whole axle scooted over that way. Probably because of the donuts. You know?
Well, they were fun though.
They were fun.
You put your own tracks in the yard of WhipGetters Ranch.
WhipGetters Ranch, the only way we do things. What happened was, if you can see right here, I don't know if Tyler can get the camera in there, but this boat's completely loose. It's actually what holds tension onto the motor. So the motor actually turned, and that's what popped everything off. We got a little work to do, nothing crazy, but it's just more reasons for us to turn up and do a stage 1 or stage 2 build. I don't know, I think it needs, I say that it's probably what, 10, 15 miles per hour?
Dude, that thing's scary.
I mean, it's a lot of low end torque.
Oh,
the
man.
torque is crazy. It's got too much torque actually for these little tires.
Little tires, really weird chassis. That small, like what? Half an inch of a tube and
Yeah.
an inch tube? That's kind of scary, dude.
You know, I'm gonna take it out to old, you know, Josh's house. You guys met before out there in the woods. And we're gonna take it over to his house and probably do some welding on it to make it extra stiff and a little bit more stable. So, but that's what happened. The tensioner is loose on the back of the motor. Shifted everything over. You can see the gap in the boats. And before you know it, it'll be back on the road. Hope you guys enjoyed the ranch today. Oh, tons of footage is gonna come from here. I think we need the mini bike. I think we need to see some RCs flying. I don't know, maybe we could jump something over the pool. I don't know.
Put me in it because I'm the light.
Right.
Flying over the pool.
To the moon, you know? But on that note, this is WhipGetters Garage, WhipGetters Ranch. Your boy Big Reek, your man Tyler behind the camera, and we out.